Hi, my name is Praza and I'm a portrait photographer from Cambridge. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a mood board for your photo shoots. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. So in today's video, the program we are going to use is Pinterest, which is very easy to create mood board. There are so many other ways, but the easiest way I would say is Pinterest. So let's jump into it.
So first of all, before I start, what I do is I usually go to the models page and see what's the aesthetic she has in a profile and what sort of portrait you could actually achieve using her. For example, this time, let's say I'm gonna go with Roxana. I'm gonna have a look on her profile. What sort of portraits and what sort of mood you could create using this person, right? We jump into Pinterest. Let's type, let's say, for example, if you want to create a street portrait mood board, I will try street portrait. What you could do is you could just browse around. So the first one, I'm getting the looks of it. Let's say this looks different. So I want to pin this. Click on save and create board. Give a board name called street portrait photography mood board. You can add the dates and you could keep it as a private or not. On top of this, if your model is already in Pinterest, you could actually share this with them using this collaboration optional thing. So for now, I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create this, and once I have created it, I'm going to say yes. So I will browse more. For example, this one looks more interesting. I'm going to add that to same board, pin it, and this one is interesting as well. Also, this one really goes with the model that we checked earlier, so I'm going to save that. Make sure when you're doing this mood board, just remember that model and how she could actually represent this kind of moods and this kind of background, right? So I kind of like this. These are just ideas. You don't actually have to do the same sort of pictures. These are just ideas. Street style again, because mainly that's the mood we are going. See, these are really street side, narrowing it down. So I would like to have that as reference as well. Also, having neon signs and having the model and giving a contrast between them gives a really nice mood to the portraits. We are going to ignore all the indoor photos. So let's say you have created the mood board. Those are the ones that you want. Go to your profile, you will see street portrait photography. Click that, boom, you will see everything that you want to share with your model. Once you have done that, what you could do is, Pinterest is more helpful in regards to, when you're creating a mood board. Once you have a couple of ideas, you have selected it, it will actually suggest you more pictures that you could actually add to your mood board. So you could actually follow that around, or if you want to share it, go to this plus button and copy the link, and then you just send it to the person that you want to work with. All good. That's the mood board. So you don't have to worry about having a blank slate, copying and pasting, writing names and all. You don't have to. This is like itself. It clearly shows everything.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please leave a comment and I will see you in the next one.